Very good.
Look what I have. Look at this. Can y'all see it? I don't know. See the seam? Oh my goodness. So I'm just, ooh, I just shampooed. I have in my favorite leave-in, which is Pattern. Oh my gosh. You have 16 minutes with this little cup of water. I love it, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. And it's really good at helping remove whatever little bits of shed hair. Guys, I'm in love. It's a great detangler, that's for sure. Every household, everybody, I don't care who you are, should have this. Everyone. Your hair, your scalp, it's, oh my gosh. I'm probably late to the game, huh? I knew I would love it the moment I saw it. It's like power. Look at that. Oh, guys, I can't buy a humidifier oftentimes that will give you this much steam or cool air. Get one. And I had a little bit of shed left. A spa for your hair every week with these little fingers. I'm so in love with it. I want one. This is my daughter. She's going to take it with her. She feels this way too. When she got it, she's like, my baby. She was like, Mom, I'm so happy. She has a massive head of hair. So good. All right. Pattern. Where's the name? Ah, Pattern. It's backwards. I love it. Pattern. This is a tool that I will buy again and again. If it runs out, dies, I will buy another one. Worth every penny. What is it, like $169, $170? Ulta. Who else has it? Does Target have it? I don't know. Ulta had it. Go to Ulta or go directly to Pattern. Get you one. I am, because the Ultas in my area are sold out. They haven't restocked yet. Love. Oh, love. Oh. Oh. Perfection. I love it. And all I did, this is just conditioner. Leave-in, Patterns leave-in conditioner, which is my holy grail of conditioners. I'm sure I'll try others and enjoy them, but I will always keep the Patterns leave-in conditioner in my repertoire. Okay, love it. The power of the steam. It's beautiful. I'm so calm because I'm so happy. I also want the dryer, the blow dryer system, and the curl iron system. It just fits so beautifully in the hand. Oh my God. And everything works so well. You just squeeze these together. Look, I'm so in love. I'm glad my daughter has it. She needs it badly. We all need it. We should all, every household should have this. And this is the little water reservoir. Look at that. Get one. Get one. Okay, patterns, pattern is my girl. I can't wait to see what else she comes up with. This is brilliant, genius. She found an item that is so needed for every household, every shampoo session. I don't care, man, woman, boy, girl, child. I don't care what your ethnicity is. This is an amazing necessity. It is healthy. Look at it. It's so pretty. I love how, I can't wait to see how the body changes and grows over the years because it's forever. It's here to stay. I love the way it works on the hair too, and it's really dry. Like when your hair is bone dry and you need to wake it up. Like my daughter did a great, gorgeous roller bantu set on her very thick hand. It was so tight. The curls were so massively tight. She turned, she was mad. She didn't like her hair. She got an attitude and she grabbed this after she calmed down and she stretched her hair and the curl pattern stayed. It didn't revert her hair. It didn't make it frizzy. It just gave her the hairstyle she envisioned when she did her hair, when she put it up in a bantu knot style. Instead of being so tight, it just made it opened it up. It looked like she put pieces in her hair. It was all her hair. It opened it up. It stretched it properly without using a blow dryer or bands. You know how we use we tie it and stretch it that way. It took minutes and her hair just opened up. And I wish I had a picture. I think I have one somewhere. I'll show you. Opened up her hair. Perfect. She was like, Mom, look what happened. And I think I left her here. She had an attitude. I walked away. I was like, oof. I went to go do something. I think I went to the store or something. I came back, and when I walked in, she was like, look at my hair. And I was like, I wish that I was so busy being amazed and glad that she had solved the problem or whatever she thought was a problem. It didn't even dawn on me to record her hair. Perfection. Just stretches it for the style you want and hydrates it at the same time without reverting it. Sorcery. Moisture steam on dry hair and somehow doesn't seem to revert it back to a mushy mess. It doesn't remove your style. Anyway, I'm trying to tell y'all, if you don't have one, get one. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for whatever I do afterwards. And also, I would love to do it while I'm in braids. While you're in braids, you spritz your strands, your scalp, you take care of that, and then you turn on the steamer. What is that doing for your hair in the braids? Because braiding can dry our hair out. Well, it does dry our hair out. So you put products in it, and then you come behind it with a steamer. Talk about a protective style. I absolutely love it. Okay. Hey guys, so love the steamer. You saw what it did to my hair. I love what it did to my hair. I don't know if you already have one, you guys. If you don't, get one. I'm so in love with it. This one's not even mine. This is my daughter's. I feel I need it every week. I know every week I would use it. It would be such a valuable asset to my hair strands and my scalp. Now I know you guys are like, how are you gonna use it every week? Your hair is braided. Well, I think while you're in braids, you still have to nurture your hair. Okay, you can't just assume it's gonna be okay without taking care of your scalp and hydrating your strands. And so for me, I've already sprayed my hair. This is for the scalp. Now, the other thing is that I need to get some human hair because the products I use, the human hair will be able to handle, and the more I can steam down my braid strands. It gets really hot, so don't hold it too close to your scalp, especially when it's freshly braided, with everything being closer to the scalp. Not a lot of new growth yet because you just rebraided it fresh, but this is another, to me, way of taking care of your hair while it's in braids. I think it's a perfect solution. And look at that steam. I also only use bottled water. The water here, I live in California, is dry, so this helps with hydration in general. It's it's the desert, Southern California is. And it's always dry in Southern California. You know how they always say it's always sunny in California, in Southern California? Yeah, but it's also dry. We don't get enough rain. I need to get me one of these. This is my daughter. She's going to take it with her. But look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Like I would probably use this every couple of days in my braided hair. But my daughter uses it every day. She's wearing her hair out again. And so her hair is in whatever twist style or roller set style. And when she wakes up, she uses this heat and steam to loosen up and wake up her hair. It doesn't revert. Now, it could be because of her texture that it doesn't revert. Her texture, she's really low porosity. That might be why. But her hair is grateful, I'm sure. We don't even have to ask her hair if it's grateful, because the performance, the style, the shine, the volume of her hair tells us how grateful it is. Oh, I love it. So yes, I gotta get one. Look at that. Now, this little cup in here it's just so big. You only get 16 minutes. That's enough. Just have some clean, fresh spring water. I use spring water for everything. We're ready to go. And you'll be just fine. And it feels good. Especially during these cool, cold, frigid mornings and evenings or days, depending on where you live. It feels good. Get up in the morning. This is what you do. Or even before bed, depending on your hair care, scalp care routine. Just brilliant. It feels so good. Then you just turn off this little thing. You either turn it on there. You wait till this is solid and not blinking. And you press this up. Turn it off. And it stops. Get one. Oh my gosh. Substantial shade price. I love them. run to the store. These harem pants, I sold them on my website in 2021, something like that. I sold